Hello, good morning friends. Welcome to my class. Today I am going to present about the community health bag, its compartments, supplies and equipments. So let's start. First of all, we see about the community health bag. Community health bag is an essential and indispensable equipment of the community health nurse which he or she has to carry along while conducting community. Then description of the bag. The bag is made of durable, long-lasting, weightless, washable and easily dryable material. The bag contains main three compartments: outer compartment, upper compartment or middle compartment, and last inner compartment, which is on which the middle compartment or upper compartment is sterile and with necessary side pockets. A strap is attached to facilitate shoulder hanging. The bag is closed with two buckles. Let's see objectives. First of all, to assess the health status of the clients, to carry out need-based nursing procedure based on scientific principles, to demonstrate procedures to individuals, families and community, to teach the clients, families and community regarding various procedures, and to evaluate the progress in the health status. Now aim to render effective nursing care to clients in various settings such as home, school, occupational setting, etc. હવે આપણે સૌથી પહેલાં આઉટર કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટ જોઈએ તો આઉટર કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટની અંદર સ્પિરિટ લેમ્પ, ટેસ્ટ ટ્યુબ હોલ્ડર, ટેસ્ટ ટ્યુબ સ્ટેન્ડ, મેચ બોક્સ, મીઝર ટેપ, ફિટોસ્કોપ, એપ્રોન વગેરે જેવી વસ્તુઓ હોય છે. ત્યાર પછી આપણે જે મિડલ કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટ ઓર અપર કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટ છે કે જે સ્ટરાઇલ કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટ છે તેના વિશે વાત કરીએ તો તેની અંદર છે એ કિડની ટ્રે, ચીટલ ફોર્સેપ અને 3 કીટ રહેલી હોય છે. એનિમા કીટ, ડ્રેસિંગ કીટ એન્ડ ડિલિવરી કીટ કે જે કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટ છે એ સ્ટરાઇલ છે, જેની અંદર બધી વસ્તુ સ્ટરાઇલ હોય છે. એન્ડ લાસ્ટ વન ઇઝ ઇનર કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટ ઓર લોઅર કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટ. તો આ કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટની અંદર સોલ્યુશન્સ બોટલ, પ્લાસ્ટિક ડબ્બી, ORS, મેડિકેશન, દેન સ્પૂન, સ્લાઇડ, થર્મોમીટર વગેરે જેવી વસ્તુઓ હોય છે. લેટ્સ સી ધી સપ્લાઇઝ એન્ડ ઇક્વિપમેન્ટ્સ. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ આઉટર કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટ. સો ઇન ધીસ following supplies and equipments are there: test tube stand, 2 test tube, spirit lamp, test tube holder, 5 ml syringe with needle, matchbox, dropper, sample bottle, litmus paper, fetoscope, measure tape, plastic sheet and apron. Let's see the upper compartment or middle compartment, which is the sterile compartment. Cheetal forceps, kidney tray, gloves, mask. Then there are 3 kit available. First enema kit. In this enema proctolysis, pad, catheter and 2 bowl. Then dressing kit. There are scissor, artery forceps, dissecting forceps, Dettol, sterile dressing, sterile bandage and bowl. Then in delivery kit there are mucus sucker, cord cutting scissor, cord clamp and sterile dressing and bowl. And in inner compartment or lower compartment there are solution bottles like Benedict solution, betadine solution, acetic acid, spirit, etc. Then plastic containers, 1 spoon, 1 steel bottle, then medication such as multivitamin, iron, folic acid, paracetamol, etc. and ORS powder, then eye drops, slide, then thermometer, oral and rectal thermometer for measuring temperature, and etc. are there in lower compartment or in inner compartment. And inside pockets there are soap and soap disc, nail brush, napkin and piece of newspaper. Let's see the subnum bag equipments. There are one baby cradle swing, one towel, weighing scale, one notebook or diary, red and blue pen, scale, sharpener, eraser, pencil, and there are 2 newspapers and 1 plastic bag. Now let's see the nursing responsibility. The bag should contain all necessary articles, supply and equipment. The bag and its content should be cleaned, and the bag and its content should be well protected. So friends, today we see about the community health bag and its supplies and equipment. I hope you like this my video. Thank you.